Okay, so your text is outside the drawing extents. You get that error when you say move a component and you're trying to rotate it. All you have to do is just move your components and your boards closer to the center of the PCB and it'll rotate fine. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now, what's the source of this? You move your component all the way to the edge, right? And you get this error. You can't even place it. I can't place it because, if I rotate the text, it's giving me a problem. So what am I talking about text? Well, if I turn all the text on, it's actually this preventing me from rotating the thing. It's this text. So if I move it over here and rotate it, it's not a problem. But I can't even move it over here because the text is in the way. Like it won't let me place it. Okay, so like I showed earlier at the beginning of the video, you move the component in here and it'll rotate it, and then that will make it work.